So I'm going to use the native camera without any other settings, just the auto mode, auto white balance. Let's see how it takes the photo of this building. Boom. And maybe I'll take a telephoto one in the same time. Just like that. So I want the shot to contain both the historical building. Oh look, the lights pop out. They will add up to the test. Okay, let's take a look. Looks beautiful on screen. You can see the reflection of the buildings. Let's see, I'm using the wide angle camera. Now I want to take the same shot on the telephoto. Let it be like this. Let's see, so... this might be interesting. I will put all the pictures on the screen now, so you can compare. But I don't know if it will be visible on the screen of this video. But all the photos made today during this test will be available on my Patreon account in the link below. Some guys in Halloween costume, and another dark shot on the wide angle. Just like that. As you can see, the wall is very dark. Then this building has lighting and the sky is a bit blue still. Now here's a bicycle, maybe night mode will trigger. Yes, as you can see, 1 second is on. I'll make a horizontal shot. Now the night mode is off. Now it's on. I don't know, I just love this lighting. Let's see. Looks really amazing on screen. Maybe a bit higher. More lights. Let's take a look. Wide angle camera. There's two people standing on the red light. And now telephoto lens. Reduce shaking. Maybe a wide angle too, with this sign. As you can see, the people and the cars became blurry. So the shutter speed is low. Actually, let's see what shutter speed was used. As you can see, shutter speed was 1/33 of a second. Oh, and yeah, I'm using a profile, rich contrast. I mean this creative profile, or how is it called? Don't remember. But it's rich contrast with tone -70. It doesn't affect photos a lot, but I like this touch. This building is really dark right now. And let's see how this iPhone will perform with this person walking. Okay, let's like so, maybe horizontal. Yep, it was shot on wide angle. Maybe I should switch on the camera sound. I don't know, let's see. Let's try a portrait mode here in the evening with this pole. Will it work? Okay, now it's getting it a little bit, but not that good. So it has to process the image and it's not in focus, I don't know why. As you could see, first frame was without the night mode, and on the second frame I forced the night mode with 4 seconds. And take a look how bright it looks, and very sharp, not smudged at all. Technology! I just spotted 2 people sitting on the bench waiting for the bus, and one of them has bunny ears, so I want to snap a shot of them. As you could see, I snapped two shots, one without night mode and the second one is with night mode. Take a look at the difference. Now going for the tele one. Now the wide angle. With passing by cars. And now with a tram. Oh, not a tram, but trolley bus. Okay, now I would like to trigger the night mode and see what it can give us. As you saw, the car was passing by, but the night mode froze it like this. So this looks very dark. Let's see if it can shoot it very bright. So for second night mode makes it very bright, but the quality is quite poor. Let's try the wide camera. Night mode is 2 seconds. And this is much better. That's clearly the shot for the ultrawide. It's a pity that the colors of the lights are a bit different. One is more reddish, one is more greenish, but okay. 2 second night mode. Oh wow, looks amazing. Right now I want to try and make a panning shot using the iPhone, but because of the algorithm that tries to stop the car, I don't think it's quite possible. I'm going to try anyways. We have to wait for the cars to move, and let's try with this BMW. Okay, now this Audi and this Peugeot and this Volkswagen. I have no idea which photos came out. Okay, everything is very blurry. Maybe I should try with wide-angle lens. Maybe this guy on the scooter. Well, every result is not good. Okay, BMW. So it's blurry. That one is not blurry. It's not working as I wanted to. 3 seconds night mode, go. It's so bright on the screen, but everything is very blurry. Let's try again. Wide angle, telephoto, 3 seconds. I'm trying to hold it steady, and now it's much better. But the shot looks like it's daytime. I think the phone has to make it more like it's a night shot, not a day shot. Now it's wide angle, horizontal shot with 1 second night mode. The quality on the screen is just amazing. And snap. Another one on this car. Snap. It was moving. And now with night mode. One second night mode. 3 second night mode. It was turned on automatically. And these Halloween guys. Oh, it's night mode. I think it will be terrible. 4 seconds night mode. Everything is blurry. Alright, so let's make it auto. The fast guy. I think it can be usable. Quite usable shot. 2 seconds. Very sharp results. Moving objects. I saw this cool car and I want to snap it. And a lot of people in Halloween costumes. But I only need this car. Night mode 3 seconds. Just like that. 1 second night mode. Okay. Someone is sitting inside. It's a bear. It's like a rock and roll shot. It's not a night mode. Let's force it. 6 seconds. I'll try to hold it still for 6 seconds. So maybe wide angle, I mean ultra wide.